Welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis. Guys, yesterday we were selling this to the support. As you can see, guys, the price came to a support, predicted a move back up. It did not go to our target, but we did get a significant move up. For today, guys, what are we going to do? Today, guys, I expect choppiness, choppiness, and choppiness. Today, guys, as long as we are below 1.32409, guys, we are sellers, and my first target, we're already there. It's holiday in the US, so keep in mind we may get choppy markets, and it's a Friday as well, so keep that in mind as well. So be very careful with your trades. And if you break above this, I think we'll be seeing yesterday's high. And I'll keep my targets small, and that is all I have for today. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.